Hey everybody, Ray Hurto, HRV Homes. We're at a new project here in South Boston. It's our townhome project. It's going to be 2 side-by-side townhomes with 3 beds, 2.5 baths, and garage level parking. The building's been framed and weather tight with windows, doors, and a roof. And we're currently working on our rough mechanicals, rough plumbing, rough electrical, rough HVAC. Each unit will have its own private balcony in the front of the building, as well as roof access for mechanicals and future roof deck expansion. That's where we are so far. Thanks for checking in. We'll see you at the next update. Follow us at HRV Homes on Instagram, as well as on Facebook, and follow us with our collaboration with Choose Boston, the Real Estate Addicts podcast.